Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Polynomials. The given question is find the remainder obtained on dividing x to the power 3 plus 1 by x plus 1. So guys, let us see how we can do this. Here question has given us two polynomials. One is px. Px is equal to x to the power 3 plus 1. And the other polynomial that the question has given us is x plus 1. The other polynomial that the question has given us is x plus 1. Let this polynomial be gx. Let this polynomial be gx. And question is asking us to find the remainder. Question is asking us to find the remainder when we divide px by gx. So find the remainder. How to find the remainder? By dividing px with gx. Find the remainder. By dividing. Find the remainder by dividing px by gx. This is how we need to divide and we need to find the remainder. This is what the question is asking us. Now, let us do this division using the long division method. So, if we follow the long division method, that is x plus 1 is our px, and we are going to divide this x plus 1 by gx, which is x plus 1. Guys, dividing using long division method or dividing polynomials are super easy, are very easy. So let's see. If you look here the question has given us x cube plus 1 or x to the power 3 plus 1. Now x to the power 3. If you look here we have x to the power 3 and here we have x. Now what we should multiply to this x so that I will get x to the power 3. That means the answer is very simple. If I multiply x to the power 2 with x, then only I will get x to the power 3. So let us do that. I am going to multiply x to the power 2 to x. So I will get x to the power 3. And again if I multiply x to the power 2 to 1, then I will get x to the power 2. Now let us subtract it. So if we subtract, the signs will reverse. Here it is positive, let us make it negative. Here it is positive, let us make it negative. Now x to the power 3 and minus x to the power 3, it cancels out. We are left with minus x to the power 2 plus 1. We are left with minus x to the power 2 plus 1. That means this one will come down. This one will come down. Similarly, again, if you look here we have minus x to the power 2. Now, what should I multiply? What should I multiply to this x so that I will get minus x to the power 2? Again, the answer is very simple. If I multiply minus x to this x, then only I will get x to the power minus x to the power 2. So let us do this one. Minus x. So if I multiply minus x with x, I will get minus x to the power 2. Then minus x into 1 is again minus x. So let us subtract it, plus this signs will reverse. If we subtract, now this one will cancel out and we are left with x plus 1. This one will come down. Now guys, the other way that I am telling, like let's say here we have the other way, like let's say here we have x cube or x to the power 3. So x to the power 3 divided by this x. If you do this x to the power 3 divided by x, then how we are getting? See, x to the power 3 means x into x divided by x. So if I means this 1x will get cancelled out and we are left with x to the power 2. This is how we are considering. If you do not know how to multiply and find out this one, just in this way we can find out. Hope you understood this one. This one is also very simple and very easy to find out a division process. Let us follow this one. Now, here again we have, if you look here again we got the new dividend. Here we got the new dividend as x plus 1. Now guys, let me again tell you one more thing. This is the initial dividend. X cube plus 1 is the initial dividend. As long as we are continuing with our division, we will call this one as dividend. So again we got a new dividend here, x to the power minus x to the power 2 plus 1. This is our new dividend. Again, till till we end our division process or till we get the remainder, we will call these ones as new dividend. And here again, this one is our new dividend. Now guys, one more question would be coming to your mind: when we will end this division process? This is again very simple. We will end this division process when this new dividend is less than, the divisor. That means less than this particular divisor. When this new dividend is less than this divisor, we will end our dividend. So let's see. Here we have x plus 1. What should I multiply to this x? What should I multiply to this x so that I will, what should I multiply with this x so that I will get 1x? That means again the answer is very simple and very straightforward. If I multiply 1 plus 1 with this x, then I will get x. So let us do that. I'm multiplying plus 1 with this x. So if I multiply plus 1 with this x, I'm getting x 1 ja x plus 1 1 ja 1. Now we are going to subtract it. So if we subtract it, our signs will reverse. So this x cancels out, and this one cancels out. So we are getting the remainder as 0. You could see this remainder is 0. Here our calculation stops. When we get a remainder 0, or when we get this remainder value or the new dividend value less than the divisor value, our calculation will stop here. So we got a remainder 0 here. The question asked us find the remainder. So we can say that the remainder, here the remainder is 0. Here the remainder is 0. Now guys, let me tell you two more things so that we can check our answer. What we got is correct, what we got is wrong, means correct or wrong. Now how to check our answer? There are two methods. We know one method, like we can check, we know that dividend is equal to, divisor into quotient plus remainder. You can check this one. Just put the values here and you can check remainder. You can just put the values here, like dividend. What is, let me just put the values for you. The original dividend that the question has given us was x cube plus 1. This is our dividend. This is equal to divisor. Divisor is x plus 1 into quotient. What is our quotient? If you look here, we got the quotient as, this one. This is our quotient, x to the power 2 minus x plus 1. This is our quotient that we got here. So if you do this process, then we will get our answer, x to the power 2 minus x plus 1. This is our quotient, plus remainder is 0. So if we solve this and if we get this value, the left hand side is equal to right hand side, if we get, then only we can say that our division process is correct. This is one method. The other method is, this is one method, and the other method is, this is first method, you can check in this way. And the other method is, we need to find out the 0 of the divisor. So here the 0 of the divisor means we got, the question has given us the divisor as, we considered the divisor as gx. Gx is equal to x plus 1. So when this x plus 1 will be 0, like x plus 1, this is the 0. We can write the 0 of the divisor, that is x plus 1 is equal to 0, or x is equal to minus 1. Putting the value of x in the original polynomial, that is px is equal to x to the power q plus 1. If we consider p as minus 1, because we got the 0 of the divisor as minus 1. If you look here, we got the 0 of the divisor as minus 1. Let us put this value, p of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 to the power 3 plus 1. So minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1, we will get minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1, that is equal to 0. This is how we can check. So this is how we can check. Hope guys you understood this. This is very simple and very straightforward. At the end, just you can follow two approaches and you can check your answer. So either of the method is fine with us. You can check your answer. But still guys, if you have any questions or doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe and let your friends know. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.